Hello. Today we have an exemplary meal. My wife made an amazing moose stew, and I have some homemade bread that I made in a bread machine. We're gonna enjoy this super home cooked meal. Dip the bread in the stew. The moose stew was made with caribou broth, so it's nice and thick. It's really hot. Mmm. That is marvelous. My wife knocked it out of the park this time. There's potatoes, peas, some onion, um, just all my favorite vegetables in one. That's the best thing about soup. You just put everything you like and you throw it in. Mmm.